Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, actually our suggestion that market probably should create at least minor upward action before some reversal will be formed or something has been completed. So indeed, yesterday we have discussed in the hourly chart some signs of the bullish dynamic pressure and said that probably market should show at least a spike up before some other action will start. But on the daily chart, as you can see, mostly market has reached the harmonic point. So that is shown by the harmonic swings. So these swings are equal to each other. So this slope is equal to this one, that one is equal to this one. And following this harmony, as you can see, this tops also very harmonic. And following this harmony, we made the suggestion that maybe something around 1275, 1277 area should happen. Because currently, guys, on the daily chart, we don't have any other patterns, any other tools that could provide us some information for analysis that could let us to make the conclusion on further direction. Now we see that potentially here is a very important area where market could form some signs or patterns that could give us the clarity on what to expect in the nearest future. Also, guys, this will be a very tough week, as you know. Today we will get ADP reports, some talks from the Fed representatives later in the session. So on Friday will be pre-rolls, on Thursdays will be Bank of England meeting. So a lot of data will be released on the current week. That's why I think that situation will become more interesting close to the end of the week and even to the evening. So it will be very interesting. That's why I think that probably on the current week we will get something on the gold market. So still speaking on taking short position, we have talked that probably we should wait either for a clear bearish reversal pattern or at least the breakout of this tendency. This tendency has not been broken yet, but at the same time here some kind of weakness exists because market wasn't able to reach the upper side of the channel. Weekly pivot resistance one also has not been reached. Here's market showing some kind of the consolidation. Bearish diverging starts to form. So, or it could be just indication of some pause when expecting the important data, but still we see that the scale of these tops becomes smaller. So it's not really very fast action here. It's some kind of slowdown. Now, what we could watch for on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, guys, we have some kind of widening top, but that's not actually the pattern that I would like to talk about. I mean this diamond or something that sort. What is interesting is that such kind of the patterns usually becomes the source of godless patterns. And one of them usually forms at the top in the moment of the reversal is godless triple twos. What patterns, for example, we could wait for? Here could be formed godless triple two sell, for example. So you can see drop down. Market will form here some kind of the ABCD retracement. That will be godless triple two sell, which very good trying to go short, for example. Or conversely, it could become, if market will show the deep retracement is one leg first and starting move down. Here could be godless triple two buy that could suggest even further upward action to the weekly pivot resistance one. So just watch for clear patterns to trade. Do not take the position just by occasion. Just keep an eye on the patterns and on this channel. So as soon as market will drop it and break this tendency of the high lows and high tops, that could become the sign that some retracement probably has started. Because I'm not tired from the talking about it, since we already know that actually this rally has no real foundation from the real money. So no real gold, physical gold purchasing stands beyond this rally. That's why it's very fragile and could turn very fast and unexpectedly. Just just some statistics will be sufficient enough to break this rally and to lead to some collapse. For example, if positive ADP report some talks from the Fed representatives on the rate increase, and this could be really very harming to this rally. So that's all that we could do. Either watching for intraday on the hourly chart inside of this diamond, some patterns, as I said, this could be Gardner's triple 2 patterns. On the 4-hour time frame charts, this is channel. Nothing else we see right now in the gold market.